Marketers today have more data, but getting insights that drive sales and create loyalty takes a coordinated effort. Adobe Experience Platform helps you stitch together data about your customers, like how they behave online, what they've bought, and who they are, so you can quickly segment audiences, personalize your interaction, and measure the results. The knowledge you get will help you build relationships with customers you already have and find more customers just like them. You'll be able to offer what they're looking for when they want it. For example, let's say you're in charge of marketing a popular app that allows people to create social graphics and visual web pages on their own. A potential customer sees an Instagram ad for your product because she's targeted as a new college student. She clicks the ad and gets a personalized offer. She decides to install the free starter plan. Helpful notifications in the app give tips on how to best apply the features she's using and new ones she doesn't know about. Now that the first semester is underway, there are many opportunities to use the app. To expand her capabilities, she's presented with an upgrade offer specifically designed for students. This is just the incentive she needs to make the purchase. Now she can easily create web stories to complete assignments with classmates. Over time, the student receives customized email newsletters with articles and tips about how students use the app to enhance their coursework. For her final course project, she creates another web page, but runs into a few problems. A tutorial pop-up has helpful tips and options for support. She chats with a support agent for the help she needs. The agent can also see her account profile and tells her she would save by paying for her subscription annually. At the end of the semester, the student gets an email reminding her she can save with an annual payment, which she does. It's also a signal of the value she's receiving and her loyalty to your brand. Adobe Experience Platform is what you need to successfully identify, engage with, and delight customers, from discovery to trial to purchase, and from product use to renewal.
The world is changing by the minute, and that puts a lot of pressure on leaders. To succeed, you need to ensure that your people have the right insights, knowledge, and skills to do their very best work, even in times of uncertainty and change. But you've got this, and as your partner, we'll help you do it right. FranklinCovey is a global thought leader in individual effectiveness and leadership development. Our content, whether it's delivered live online, on demand, or live in person, is based on proven principles of effectiveness that facilitate lasting change. As your teams apply these principles, you'll see immediate results and be better positioned to achieve your most important goals. Many learning and development providers are just now moving to live online delivery, but simply shifting live in-person content to a digital format doesn't provide the same results. And we've spent a decade perfecting our approach to virtual delivery, facilitating over 30,000 live online sessions worldwide. Each of our live online programs is an immersive work session led by an expert instructor, a FranklinCovey consultant, or a certified facilitator within your organization. These instructors aren't just lecturing and running through a set of slides. They're facilitating dynamic experiences professionally designed to keep participants engaged and inspire growth and change. Using insights from the latest learning science research, we build each program with the right mix of information, collaboration, and hands-on activities. Our programs include compelling content, award-winning videos, deep interaction, and downloadable guides and tools. Most importantly, our live online experiences work. We've delivered live online work sessions to more than 600,000 people in 160 countries and have a Net Promoter Score of 74, a rating reserved for companies that achieve world-class levels of customer loyalty and satisfaction. We want you to be part of this incredible learning community and to achieve meaningful results for your organization. Together, we'll explore your most pressing challenges to create a targeted learning plan that boosts performance, builds critical leadership and interpersonal skills, and helps you achieve your most important goals. With the FranklinCovey All Access Pass, you'll get access to all of this and more. This includes all of our content solutions delivered live online, on demand, or live in person, and provides the most flexibility and value. Let's get started bringing live online solutions to your organization. Contact us today.
Who should not come to Summit?
I don't even know.
If you don't want to do anything new and you want to keep doing what you're doing, then stay home. Because you will get flooded with far too many ideas and it might make you be tempted to try something new.
Anyone who's trying to differentiate themselves.
Marketers should come to Summit.
Whether you're an analyst, product manager, or you're an executive.
Those marketers that are responsible for the customer experience.
Whether you're a small business, you're an enterprise.
A compliance archive that not only stores diverse data in its native formats and enables contextual search across message types has to be built on an innovative foundation. A data lake where all electronic communications are unified in a single object store with a robust set of APIs to leverage data stored there, enabling a holistic view across communications from email to social media, voice, and image. Go beyond voice transcription to handle translation and analysis of multiple languages. Identify speakers or unusual patterns of communication. Apply analytic insights across all message types, including video, images, and recordings. Building on our leading scalable design, which delivers an extensive range of channel connectors, Microfocus solutions are easily extensible to adapt to new communication technologies, while ensuring a powerful, secure, and compliant foundation. Highly flexible when it comes to your compliance needs. As regulatory updates are implemented or new regulations defined, the compliance foundation is augmented by updated lexicons and analytics. Open, extensible APIs enable nimble integration with business and operational systems. Workflows between systems can be integrated, creating a unified single source of truth. Microfocus envisions an environment where data can be queried, enriched, and analyzed in place. Cold archived messages can be combined with warm and hot internal and external communication data streams to extract insight through contextual search, application of enrichments, and supervised machine learning algorithms. Tap the compliance insights of an archive built on the foundation of a unified data lake with integrated analytics. Trust these insights to the proven market leader for managing information risk.
We are used to creating these beautiful places, national parks, the Yosemites, the Yellowstones, buying them and preserving them. But we could only do that so many times around the world. And so finding places like Staten where you could have agriculture and also bird habitat, then it's a win-win. And that's what we're looking for. The Delta is where all these rivers from the Central Valley come into and eventually go out under the Golden Gate Bridge.
I'd like to say in the Delta, you're in the middle of nowhere, but like an hour from anywhere.
And so this was a massive, vast wetland at some point.
We've transformed this landscape to be a very productive agricultural landscape.
For 7 months out of the year, this place transforms from a very productive agricultural operation to an amazing mosaic of habitats.
It's a magical place, and if you've ever been here in the evening, it's just gorgeous. It'll take your breath away.
The waterbird species are just remarkable here.
To see cranes is an emotional experience. It's not just an intellectual experience. They're just hauntingly beautiful. What you learn to love is what you learn to protect.
Upstream, we have the Cosumnes River Preserve, and that really is a preserve in the traditional style. It has a visitor center, it has trails. Staten, it's really a functioning farm.
It's a 9,000-acre island that's under single management, and it's owned by the Nature Conservancy.
Staten Island and the Central Valley of California as part of the Pacific Flyway. And so these birds are coming here in the winter after they've been in Alaska, Oregon, Washington, and so they overwinter here. That's what makes Staten Island so important to them.
A place like Staten Island is a great example of where we're looking to get both wildlife benefit, but we also have a productive agricultural system.
We give the birds the grain and they provide us with fertilizer.
Corn, winter wheat, rice, all those things that are left out after harvest in the fields, the birds will then feed on.
After we're done harvesting, we do minimal post-harvest groundwork. We just chop the stubble and leave it. Traditionally, in the olden days, they used to disc the ground or plow the ground, but the biologists say that that's putting the seed under too far for the birds, so we just chop it and leave the seed on top of the ground.
They also feed on invertebrates, so on the bugs that are found in the mud and in the shallowly flooded areas.
The farmer's benefiting because they're flooding their corn in order to get decomposition for the following year. And at the same time, you're supporting thousands, tens of thousands of birds on that same property.
Sandhill cranes are a very charismatic species. Getting out there and watching them dance in the morning, their behavior is really fun to see. They dance to help maintain their pair bonds, and they stay with that individual for the rest of their life.
The Sandhill Crane Festival promotes understanding of cranes and the need to protect their environment. Our Crane Festival brings in more people to Lodi than any other event. Well, this year we had 51 tours that send people out to go see birds and animals all over this area. It's fun to stumble on something that's really unexpected.
Staten Island is a living laboratory, and we try to encourage as many different researchers as possible to utilize the property.
This is really an exciting time to be in the Delta and part of Staten Island.
But as we're able to see, even in our short lifetimes, the valley is changing a great deal. We really believe in doing the science that helps to tell us what are conservation solutions that are good today, but are also going to be good 100 years from now.